What's up guys, today's ride is to Uttribetta, which is about 70 kilometers from here. Today I am not alone. Two of my friends, Nikhil and Pradip, they are joining me. Now the time is 5 a.m. Trip is set to 0 as well. Let's go. ಏನು ಸೂಪರು ರೋಡ್ ಸಹ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೂಪರ್. ಮುಂದೆ ಇನ್ನು ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಬೀಚ್ ವೈಬ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್. ಜಾತ್ರೆ ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹೆಡೆಡ್ ಟು Uttribetta peak. It's about 1 kilometer from here, and this is Pradeep. Hi. And this is Nikhil. He's also hi. Recording. I think there are a lot of people who have camped up there. They're coming back now. So guys, this is the wall. These people are climbing this, but I think there's a way here. We are going here. I think this is the third door. I think there are totally 7 doors if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So we are venturing into the unknown here. Oh yappa! This is like a cave. So we asked a couple of guys back there. So they suggested us this route. I think this is the only route. Yappa. ಮಾರೋ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇದೆ
ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹೊಂಡ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ರಿ,
ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಗೋಪುರ ಬಿಸಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ.
ಸರ್ ನಿಖಿಲ್ ರೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಂಡ ಇದೆ.
ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಾಗಿ
ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಹೋಗಿ ದಾರಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳು. ದಾರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ
ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Okay, we have found this way after exploring for some time. we are trying to go climb the rock which is behind this one. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಹುಡುಕಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ, ವೇಸ್ಟೆಡ್ 30 minutes of time just finding this route. Some people misguided us
saying you have to get into a cave.
Yeah. I has exhausted all 3 shots.
No.
All three
I still have
batteries?
10 minutes left in one battery.
I have still one battery left.
And I have
Pradeep has full
Pradeep
energy.
has full battery.
Full
Pradeep
battery.
has full battery.
full battery.
And so now he'll start his push-ups. See, I told you Pradeep has lot of battery. So we'll go down once and try to fly the drone again.
I have 10 minutes left.
Yeah.
So hopefully I'll be able to fly for the whole 10 minutes. Let's see.
We have to get packing now and start going down. So finally we have reached this temple. We're supposed to reach here, but then we missed our route and we went that side. So finally Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like this content, please like.
Share.
Subscribe to this channel.
Peace.
Peace.